Hello, my name's Ian. I'm at the Reynolds Museum today at Harvest Festival 2023. Today I'm going to be showing you how to shape pretzels with the museum's standard pretzel recipe. So I've already made my dough, mixed it, let it rise. I have one pretzel here shaped, and I have the rest of my dough portioned out. So you're going to start off with a bunch of little hockey pucks like this. This batter is a double batch and makes approximately 6 pretzels. So you can kind of initially just stretch it out a little bit and then give it a bit of a roll. We're just looking to stretch it out into a big, long, skinny snake so that we can form a couple different shapes of pretzels. So after you've kind of got it stretched out a bit by rolling, you can start by pinching and pulling the dough through your fingers in order to stretch it out even more, because I need the dough about twice as long as it is right now. So you can just go back and forth, keep doing that same process. Probably one more pass should be enough for me to get this the length to make a decent sized pretzel here. So I think that should be good. You're gonna end up with a pretzel like this. Slam it down on the table. You're gonna cross the two ends over each other. Give it one more twist, and then pinch it down on the sides here, and you can bunch it under there so it stays put. And there you have a pretzel. So we have a couple different ones of those. You can make different shaped pretzels as well. Next, I'm gonna make a braided pretzel. So same process for this one. You want the exact same rough length and shape. Start stretching it out again. Just back and forth a couple of times in order to get that length that you require for the pretzel. One more pass and then we should be good to go. I think that will do it. So you're gonna have your pretzel on the table like this. You're gonna bring it around and you wanna divvy it up into thirds so that I have a proper braid here to make. So you can kind of make sure the ends are evened up here. You're gonna take this part, kind of pinch it around onto the end, and then you wanna make a cut here at the loop. So you have 3 separate strands. And now I can start my braid. Just one over the other. Might have a couple of uneven pieces at the end, but just kind of make it as best you can. And there you go. A couple different styles of pretzels here, and they're ready to bake.